Hello, I'm Barbara Guelph and I'm here to help you bring your company to Brazil. Today, we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to bring the equipment that is used on manufacturing pharmaceutical area in Brazil, the FAT and SAT acceptance tests. These tests play an essential role in ensuring quality and compliance in the pharmaceutical industry. It's a mandatory requirement from ANVISA. Whether you are a local manufacturing or an international company, understanding these tests can make a significant difference in your operations here. So, let's explore what FAT-SAT are, how they differ, and why they are so important in the Brazilian pharmaceutical market. First, let's talk about FAT, or Factory Acceptance Test. The FAT is performed at the manufacturer's facility before the equipment is shipped to the customer. It's a process that ensures that the equipment meets the requirement specification and functions correctly in a controlled environment. In the context of the pharmaceutical industry, FAT is vital because it helps identify any potential issues before the equipment reaches the production site. By catching these problems earlier, companies can avoid costly delays and ensure that the equipment meets both of regulatory operational requirements specific to Brazil. Typical tests conducted during FAT included checking the hardware, software, integration, and overall functionality. The goal is to ensure that the equipment can perform its intended purpose without any issues. In many cases, the client or an inspector may visit the manufacturing facility to witness the FAT, especially if the equipment is particularly complex. Now, let's move on to SAT, or Site Acceptance Testing. Unlike FAT, which is conducted at the manufacturer's site, SAT takes place at the customer location after the equipment has been delivered and installed. This is the final step before the equipment is put into a regular production. The SAT is crucial because it verifies that the equipment operates correctly in the actual working environment. The equipment is tested under the real conditions, and the team ensures that it is integrated seamlessly with other systems on site. Some of the typical procedures during SAT include operational testing, safety testing, and verifying that all connections and integrations are functioning properly. If any issues arise, they can be addressed on-site, allowing for adjustment specific to the environment in which the equipment will operate. Let's look at the key differences between FAT and SAT. Let's go. 1. Location. FAT is conducted at the manufacturer's facility, while SAT is done on site, at the customer's location. 2. Purpose. FAT aims to verify that the equipment meets the specified requirements in the controlled environment, whereas SAT ensures that it is worked in the actual production environment. 3. Participants. FAT usually involves the manufacturer's teams and potentially the client or an inspector. In contrast, SAT requires on-site staff, engineers, and sometimes regulatory representatives to confirm compliance. Each test helps to identify and resolve different issues at various stages of the equipment deployment process. In summary, both FAT and SAT are essential for ensuring that equipment meets the requirement standards before the entering production. For pharmaceutical companies operating in Brazil, understanding and implementing these acceptance tests is not only the regulatory necessity, but also a way to ensure product quality and operational efficiency. Count on Kivalita to bring your product or equipment to Brazil. We can help you with all regulatory issues and extraterritorial matters as FAT and SAT tests to import the equipment. Thank you for watching! And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more insights into quality assurance in the pharmaceutical industry. I see you in the next video. Bye!